Hot cocoa. It just hits differently on a cold day. But here's the secret. You don't need a fancy mix to make it amazing. You can make rich, creamy hot cocoa from scratch with just a few simple ingredients, and it makes the perfect last-minute gift. Hi friend, come on in. The weather's cold here, and there's nothing better than wrapping your hands around a warm mug of cocoa. This recipe comes together fast, it's easy to customize, and it makes a thoughtful homemade gift that's guaranteed to bring a smile. In a medium bowl, I'm combining 1 cup of powdered milk, about 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and about half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now, technically, you only need the powdered milk, cocoa, and sugar for a basic hot cocoa, but the extras, it makes it even better. The cornstarch adds a bit of body, the salt balances the sweetness, and adjusting the sugar lets you find your perfect mix, especially since cocoa brands vary in bitterness. I highly recommend sifting your ingredients before mixing. It helps everything blend evenly and dissolve smoothly later. Trust me, it's worth the extra step. If you want to take it to the next level, try adding a little finely chopped chocolate right into the mix. It melts beautifully and gives that rich cafe-style texture. Basically, instant deluxe cocoa. Once it's all mixed, you can pour it into jars and add a ribbon or tag for gifting. Pair it with a batch of homemade marshmallows and you've got a beautiful, cozy gift that feels like something special, without needing a single store-bought mix. To make your cocoa, just add 2 heaping spoonfuls to a cup of hot water for something light and cozy, or use hot milk for a richer, creamier version. Either way, it's fast, comforting, and perfect for those winter evenings. If you love learning how to make simple pantry staples like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the link below for your free plus recipe sheet. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now it's time to go make yourself a mug of cocoa and enjoy the warmth.